Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a classic beauty debate, one that has puzzled makeup lovers for ages. Matte or glossy lips? Which one reigns supreme? This choice can totally transform your look. It's amazing how much a simple lip finish can change your entire appearance. Think timeless elegance, a touch of old Hollywood glamour, versus playful shine, a modern and youthful vibe. Matte lips give you a bold, velvety finish, offering intense color payoff and a sophisticated edge, while gloss delivers a juicy, high-shine pout, reflecting light and creating the illusion of fuller lips. It's not just about color, it's so much more than that. It's about the vibe you want to create, the message you want to send with your makeup. Your lip finish is the final touch, the cherry on top. That pulls your whole look together, harmonizing all the elements of your makeup. We'll break down the unique qualities of each, exploring their pros and cons, so you can pick your perfect style for any occasion, whether it's a casual day out or a glamorous evening event. Ready to discover your signature lip look? Let's find the perfect match for you. Matte lips are all about intense flat color. They make a statement. No shine, just pure impact. It's all about that bold, unadulterated color. Glossy lips, on the other hand, are all about the shine and the shimmer. Catch the light and make your lips look fuller and hydrated, giving you a healthy and radiant appearance. Both finishes have their own magic, their own unique appeal. And knowing when to use each is key to unlocking your ultimate lip look potential. I'll share my top tips, application tricks, to help you achieve flawless results every time, and favorite products for both matte and glossy looks, so you can build your perfect lip wardrobe. By the end, you'll be confident in your ability to rock any lip look, switching up your style whenever you want, expressing yourself through the power of lipstick. Let's dive in and find the lip look that truly speaks to you, that makes you feel amazing, confident, and ready to take on the world. Whether you're after sophistication and understated elegance, or a fresh, fun vibe that radiates youthful energy, there's a finish for you, waiting to be discovered. Let's get started on this exciting lip journey. Let's talk matte lips. They've become a staple in the beauty world, and for good reason. Matte means zero shine. It's all about a flat, non-reflective finish, a velvety flat finish almost like a soft, smooth canvas for your lips that absorbs light for deep, saturated color. The pigments really pop. These lipsticks are famous for lasting all day without smudging. You can confidently sip your coffee or enjoy a meal without constant touch-ups. The color is the star, making a bold, confident statement. It draws attention and adds an element of drama to your overall look. Matte lips are perfect for formal events, adding a touch of sophistication and elegance, or when you want a polished, put-together look. It instantly elevates your style. They're versatile, a nude matte for work, offering a professional and understated vibe, a bold red for a night out. It's classic, timeless, and always makes an impact. Matte formulas define your lip shape with crisp, precise edges. This creates a clean and sculpted look. But they can feel drying, so always prep with a lip scrub and balm. This is a crucial step for comfortable wear. This simple prep keeps your lips smooth and your color flawless. It ensures an even application and prevents cracking. Matte lips are all about sophistication and impact. They exude confidence and style. They're ideal for anyone who loves a modern, chic vibe. It's a contemporary look that's always on trend. If you want your makeup to look sharp and clean, creating a polished and refined appearance, matte is your go-to. It's a reliable choice for a flawless finish. Just remember, hydrated lips make all the difference. It's the foundation for a beautiful matte look. With the right prep, matte lipstick feels comfortable all day. You can enjoy the look without sacrificing comfort. Try it for a look that's bold, modern, and totally chic. Embrace the matte trend and express your unique style. Now, let's talk glossy lips, the opposite of matte. Gloss is all about high shine and a juicy, plump look. It gives your lips a youthful, fresh vibe and makes them appear fuller. Glossy formulas are usually moisturizing, packed with hydrating ingredients. They're easy to apply. Just swipe and go, no mirror needed. Gloss is perfect for a dewy, natural makeup look. A clear or tinted gloss instantly brightens your face. The downside? Gloss needs more touch-ups and can be sticky. But for that luscious, light-catching finish, it's worth it. Glossy lips are playful, forgiving, and always in style. Try gloss when you want a fresh, effortless glow. So how do you choose? For long events or a bold, elegant look, go matte. It lasts and photographs beautifully. For everyday wear or a quick, fresh look, gloss is your friend. Match your lip finish to your outfit. Matte for structured, modern styles. Gloss for soft, romantic looks. Your personality matters too. Matte for classic and confident, gloss for playful and easygoing. Don't be afraid to switch it up. Makeup is about expressing yourself, so try both and see what feels right. There's no wrong choice, just what makes you feel your best. Ready for perfect lips that pop? A non-sticky and hydrating formula, and NYX Butter Gloss, a creamy and delicious smelling gloss. These picks deliver bold color or juicy shine for every budget, so you can experiment without breaking the bank. Experiment to find your favorites and discover what works best for your unique style. With the right products and a few simple tricks, you'll master any lip look, from natural to dramatic. Go bold, go glossy, just have fun with it and express yourself.